Hi, I'm Michael from Toronto, and today I'm reviewing the GermGuardian Elite. We've been using this in our house for a few months now, and we've been extremely pleased with it. We keep it on almost all of the time on this speed, which is speed 1. In fact, it's running right now, and it runs virtually silently. And we've been keeping it on that speed. Sometimes we'll turn it up a little bit higher if we're cooking or something like that, but we've been extremely pleased with it. There is a couple things that I want to point out. One is with the UV light on, there is a blue light on the front, which can be a little bit bright. So if you want a night light, that's great, but if you don't, you'll probably want to put that one off. One of the things I also want to point out is the size of the Hepa filter. It's massive, and this is really what separates this from some of the other units out there that have a much smaller Hepa filter. So this will give us a long period of time between filter changes and lots of airflow and lots of filtration. So this is kind of the piece that really kind of sold me on the GermGuardian Elite. So again, we've been very happy with it. I would definitely recommend it to friends, and this is the GermGuardian Elite. Thank you.